What's up, guys? You can see today been doing a lot of cleaning up in here. Finally got that all wrapped up there. So that part, this wall right here is the only wall I got completely done as far as wrapping the walls. I still got to put some trim out. So I still got to trim all this up and trim all that up. I'll probably do that, pick that up this weekend, get me some MDF so I can rip me some pieces. But I gotta get some wire to finish this wall, and once I get this wall wired up where I need the wires to go, then I need to get some HDMI cables and a few other things so I can get this straightened out. But I got it all cleaned up for now. Get ready for the next project. I don't know if I showed this. I built this little shelf. I built this. This right here is a fence post. I built that out, and then that there, of course, is that over there. But what I'm wrapping the wall in, so it can hang. Put a DVD player up there or something. So we're moving along here. I got pretty much. I got to finish wrapping that up. I got to get my burn barrel together. I'll probably pick up the pipe tonight. Get started on that thing. I just can't wait to get this thing done so I can start getting rid of a lot of stuff. And then I'm hanging on to everything right now because I don't want to throw it away in case I need it. In case this shows up, that shows up, this happened, that happened, you know, certain things. So, but it's all coming together, guys. It's all coming together. I got to pick up some more stuff tonight. I'm going to go by my favorite store, Menards. The only thing I like about Menards, guys, is they don't sell Milwaukee tools. If they sold Milwaukee tools, I wouldn't have no need to go back to anybody else. Well, only Lowe's sells this siding. I've only seen it at Lowe's. So, and Home Depot does have the cheapest price on MDF that I'm using. So, but that's where we are, guys. I got to get some more wire so I can get started and get a few more things going here, and I got to pick up some more of this plywood and fun. I got my workbench lights. I got my workbench all hooked up. I got to get lights. That's what all these wires are for. I don't know if I'm gonna do the puck lights. I got it wired up for the puck lights, but I don't know if I'm gonna do the puck lights or I'm gonna do the those bar lights. I haven't decided yet. I'm gonna see what I can get the best deal on. I might go with the bar lights because they'll probably be more brighter, and I'll just put bar lights all the way around. So I'm gonna build me a workstation over here. I'm gonna build me another workstation over here. This right here is gonna be my biggest one because I'm gonna build it with I'm gonna put a saw in there. I got to get me a router. And I'm gonna take this table saw over here. I'm gonna take it off its base. I'm gonna use this here. I'm gonna use this table saw right here. It's a Ridgit. I think it cuts up 28 inches. So that'd be about all I need. So. All right, guys, like, share, subscribe. Check out some of my other videos. Comment below. And by the way, Jerry Epstein didn't kill himself. Bye-bye.